Planning a trip to Las Vegas and not sure what to pack? The process of prepping for a holiday in this iconic city is much like its vibrant nightlife. It requires a careful blend of strategy, anticipation, and a dash of boldness. But don't worry, you're not in this alone. We're here to help you figure out the right concoction for a fantastic Vegas vacation. Before we delve deeper into the details, let's get an overview. Packing for a Las Vegas trip is akin to preparing for two different experiences. By day, you need to be ready for a sun-drenched city nestled in the heart of the desert. By contrast, when night falls, you'll be stepping into a glimmering wonderland where glamour is the name of the game. Now, let's get started. Let's get started on the practicalities. The first thing you need to consider is your luggage choice. Whether you're jetting in for a swift weekend getaway or a 2-week leisurely vacation, your luggage plays a pivotal role. It needs to be reliable, robust, and roomy enough to store all your essentials, plus anything else you might pick up on your trip. A sturdy, hard-shell rolling suitcase is always a good bet. This type of luggage not only stands up well to the rough and tumble of air travel, but also makes it a breeze to navigate through bustling airports or crowded hotel lobbies. Thanks to the built-in wheels, you can swiftly move around without any hassle. Moreover, a hard-shell suitcase is an excellent choice for keeping your belongings secure. With a lockable feature, it helps ensure your valuables stay safe throughout your journey. Plus, it's also perfect for storing any Vegas souvenirs you might pick up along the way, keeping them intact until you get home. Once you've got your ideal luggage sorted, the next big question is what to put inside it. Deciding what to wear in Las Vegas can seem a little overwhelming, and it's no wonder why. Imagine a city that effortlessly merges the realms of luxury and leisure, sophistication and simplicity. That's Las Vegas for you. So, what's the trick to packing right for such a diverse city? It's all about creating the perfect blend of daytime practicality and nighttime glamour. Let's begin with the day. As it's nestled in the desert, Las Vegas is bathed in sunlight for most part of the day. Lightweight clothing is crucial to surviving the scorching heat. Pick fabrics like cotton and linen, which are breathable and light on the skin. Opt for loose fits that allow air to circulate, helping you stay cool under the relentless desert sun. When it comes to accessories, a wide-brimmed sun hat and a pair of high-quality sunglasses are non-negotiable. These will help protect your eyes and skin from the harsh rays. Don't forget to pack a suitable sunscreen with a high SPF. The desert sun can be brutal, and it's important to shield your skin from its harmful effects. As the sun sets, Las Vegas transforms into a glittering paradise. This is when you switch from daytime comfort to nighttime glamour. Ladies, think cocktail dresses, glitzy jumpsuits, and high heels. Gents, pack a sharp suit blazer and a pair of polished shoes. Remember, the dress codes of the city's swanky establishments require a smart look. Of course, comfortable but chic footwear is vital because you'll be either dancing the night away or exploring the dazzling strip. Clothing and accessories aside, there are a few other essentials that deserve a place in your suitcase. First, and don't forget your travel documents, including ID, passport, and any necessary visas. It's a good idea to keep a photocopy of these documents in a separate place, just in case you lose the originals. Your health and safety are equally important. A basic first aid kit, any prescribed medication, and hygiene items such as hand sanitizers and face masks should be part of your packing list. In case of minor injuries or health issues, these essentials can be lifesavers. Next up is the tech gear. Your smartphone is undoubtedly your most useful tool. It serves as your camera, map, communication device, and entertainment system. But remember, your phone is only as good as its battery life, so bring a portable charger to keep it powered up throughout your trip. For those of you who are photography enthusiasts, consider packing a compact camera. This can help you capture your Vegas experience in high resolution, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Hydration is key when you're in the desert. While you can't pack water in your checked luggage, consider bringing a reusable water bottle. You can easily fill it up once you land. Keeping your body hydrated, especially in the dry desert heat, is crucial to maintaining energy levels and avoiding heat-related issues. In summary, packing for Las Vegas is an art. It's about balancing practicality with glamour, ensuring you have all essential documents and health items, and staying hydrated in the desert heat. With these expert tips at your disposal, you're ready to conquer Las Vegas in style. Remember, what happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas, except STDs, but what you pack for Vegas, that's an essential part of the journey. Before we move on to our final segment, we'd like to remind you why you're here with us. At Safe Travels 911, we're not just here to guide you, but to ensure you're prepared for your travels, no matter where your journey takes you. We're a community of globetrotters, adventure seekers, and travel enthusiasts just like you. We love to share our experiences, tips, and tricks to help you make the most out of your trips, but we can't do it alone. We need your support to keep the journey going. If you found our packing guide for Las Vegas helpful, let us know. We'd love to hear about your travel experiences and how our tips have come in handy. Your feedback helps us create more relevant content, tailored to your needs. Don't forget to hit the like button if you picked up some useful packing tips from this video. Your likes let us know what content you enjoy, and it also helps other travelers like you discover our guides. And while you're at it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll join our growing community of travel enthusiasts, and you'll never miss out on our latest travel tips and guides. The notification bell ensures that our latest content lands straight in your inbox, so you're always in the know. Remember, at Safe Travels 911, we're committed to helping you travel smarter, safer, and in style. And we can't wait to continue this journey with you, so go ahead, subscribe, and let's conquer the world of travel together. Stay tuned for our final segment, where we'll be wrapping things up and giving you a special sneak peek into our next travel guide. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, safe travels.